Hi guys, today we are going to be showing you how are we going to plan my daddy's birthday. We got a lot of supplies to go, and this is just, today is not his birthday. We're just practicing. So we're going to be designing. I'll be putting stickers on the balloons. Mommy will be blowing up the balloons with this old thing. Good thing we didn't lose it, because the other day when I keep it on my room, we almost lost it. So I should have let my mom keep it, because she's good at organizing things and keeping things, so we can make it safety. So yeah, we got a lot of gifts for daddy. My gift was a giant card, is a manila paper full of
like drawings and stuff.
Drawings on the sides and nice things. And mommy's gift is a very expensive one, because it's iPhone 11, and also the little bag thingy, guys, where you put your phone, your keys, everything, because daddy really wanted that, so we buy that for him. So we're about to show you how are we going to decide. This is just a practice one, so mommy will explain the others.
Yeah, hopefully we have a memory for my phone to show you all the things that we're going to do to prepare for daddy's birthday. So
yeah,
what's
because
gonna
this is gonna be a fun video.
Oh, okay.
Crazy video.
So I think we're just gonna show the snippets of what we're going to prepare. So what's gonna happen is that today, Thursday, we'll just going to prepare stuff like prepare the balloons, buy the cake, prepare the design, and then tomorrow morning, like around 3 AM, I'm gonna wake up Sabine, set up everything so that when daddy wakes up, it will be happy birthday, daddy! So we plan to surprise him, because this is his 35th birthday.
Happy birthday, daddy!
Yeah. We're also thinking about singing Korean song, right? Because this is a Korean family song. 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑해, daddy. 생일 축하합니다. So overall, we have prepared a lot of things. I have tons of gifts for him. And then tomorrow morning, that will be the actual surprise day. We'll buy cake this morning. This afternoon, lunchtime.
I am super excited to buy the cake.
Yeah, we'll buy cake. He has a very few selections of cake that he actually likes. So this is one that they call.
Don't judge us, but we don't know the flavor that he likes. So
no, I do.
You said last night you don't.
No, I do.
You lie.
I do not lie. Anyway, so
I do not lie either.
So what we're gonna do is today is that we're going to design the living room, but we're gonna just to make sure that we know where everything goes when we prepare it on Friday morning, madaling araw actually. And then before daddy comes home, we have to remove all our decoration, because it is a surprise thing. We have to keep it in one room,
which is Kuya Juni's room.
Yeah,
but he moved out in Manila.
Yes.
We're going to make a lot of balloons. We made 2 balloons. One that's in Kuya Juni's room, and one that's this one. I put a sticker. And I'm gonna put the other stickers in the balloons, because it will be amazing. Or should we just put like little things inside it so it looks like a game?
Epekto to ng kaka-YouTube ni Sabine. Anyway, if you think I'm talkative, meet my daughter. She's more talkative than I am. You do!
Well, you're more beautiful than me.
No, you're prettier. Na wow, nagbulahan pa kami. So anyway,
look at her!
Let's check out everything that goes on with our preparation for daddy's 35th birthday!
생일
축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑해, daddy. 생일 축하합니다.